Let me ask you a question. Do you have an interest in a career as an animator? We will show you why your interest is valid. Indian animation and VFX industry grew at 16.4% in 2016 to reach a size of 59.5 billion Indian rupees. The industry is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 17.2% over 2017 to 2021 to reach a size of 131.7 billion Indian rupees. With such a rapid growth, the industry is facing a shortage of the necessary skill set. That's where we come in. Why? Because it's not just the program, but the very focus on specialized courses which makes UPES unique. We at UPES are offering a bachelor's degree in design, wherein students can specialize in animation and VFX. So, what makes this course special at UPES? During the duration of the course, the students will be taught the fundamentals of storytelling, character design, animation principles, post-production, and sound design. This will be done with the help of our high-tech Mac Lab and animation studios equipped with latest technology. The objective of which is to create industry-ready animation and VFX designers. And it's not just about the teaching methodology. UPES also ensures your future is secure. Being one of the top universities, UPES School of Design has achieved 100% placement with knowledge and experience obtained at UPES. The students also have a choice to pursue further studies or launch a company of their own.
So, what are you waiting for? To apply, log on to www.upes.ac.in and click on the Apply Now tab.